This is something big. Ooh. Ooh, thank God. Alright, let's go find some crappie. Got me one. What did I catch? Whatever, this feels decent. Ooh, whitey. Come here, boy. A little white bass. Alright. So here's the scoop, guys. Here's what I'm doing. Once I straighten out a little bit, I take these two jigs, cast them kind of far, put in the rod holder, and slow troll. Just like that. Slowly troll. Another hit. They're way up top. Ooh. Got him. Oh, no, I don't. Something interesting. Try this out. You guys watching me change tactics on the fly. So I'll go over here real fast. Already caught me a crappie fry here. And now let's try to catch it. See what that was biting. Cast. Got him. Alright. I think I might have figured something out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got him. There we go. Ooh, the crappie. Ooh, that crappie. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let's see. We'll measure. I'm keeping some. I'm keeping fish today. Ooh. Oh yeah. 1.5 all day long. Got him. There she is. Ooh, another one. Should be a decent one. That's 9. 9, keeping 9. I'm gonna keep 10 and over today. Got him. There we go. Got another one. Little guy. Ooh, alright, so I'm trying out new colors. Usually you've seen the same colors I use all the time, but I figured, why not try something else? Maybe there's a different color that might work. So I'm trying this dark blue and chartreuse out slider. Usually you see me use either pink, ooh, a bit. That's cool. That's pretty neat. Usually you guys see me use the same colors. Figured maybe I'll find a different color that's working real well. So let's give it a shot. Got him. Ooh, this one feels better. Yeah. Oh, there's two. The flip. Told all you guys seen it. Caught two of them. They're stacked in here. Put them in my live well here. The other one's going back. Well, it's safe to say these jigs work. Alright, where's this line at? Got him. Get your butt over here. Got a little crappie. Got him. Got him. Little guy. Alright. Nice to see that this color produces. Got him. Little guy though. Maybe that's why I can't catch him. Where are all the big ends? Alright, got another one here. Ooh. Got him. Ooh, this one feels good. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it's alright. Not too bad. Alright, I might just end up trolling. Forget this casting game. Just smacking 10 feet away. Where's this line at?